Good morning everyone, Newborn Investor here and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully we get some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. But before we get into today's video, if you really appreciate my live trades, show me some support by hitting the like and subscribe button. It means a lot. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Pre-market SPY and QQQ gapping down, but volume is really low. So I think today I may not get any good setups and I may call the day off without any trades, but I'll watch for the first 30 minutes and if I don't see any good setups, I may not take a trade. Right now I'm bearish going into market open, but I'll wait for market open to see how SPY and QQQ reacts and then define my trades based off that. We do have over 10 minutes to market open, so I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open. Watching SPY breaking the pre-market lows. Straight sell-off. There was a rebound. I did not take it because it was too early. Did not break yesterday's closing price. This is exactly why I was staying away. Trying to get in around 320. Didn't get it. Canceling for now. Getting in at 380. I'm in. I plans to make one more ad around the EMA. Stop would be high of this candle. Giving it some time, just one contract. So not in a hurry to get out. If it makes a new low, I think it could flush. Yep. I will sell out around 4:30 and got out. Was a perfect trade. Did not panic. Gave the trade some time to work and $48 on a Friday. So happy for it. Now, obviously, markets are bearish, but I do have some other stuffs that I need to take care of. So I may have to wrap it up with just one trade. Going into the weekend with one trade, one winner, $50. I have no reasons to complain. As I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.